Amazon's packaging rules require that each FNSKU be unique and assigned to one specific product. For example, each size or color variation must have its own distinct FNSKU. Just like a social security number, no two products can share the same FNSKU. Each unit must display a scannable barcode with human-readable numbers placed on the outer packaging. You must ensure that any other barcodes are either removed, covered, or made unscannable. Only one barcode should remain visible. If you are applying FNSKU labels, simply place them over the manufacturer's UPC. For wholesale or arbitrage items, you can use the UPC that is already printed on the packaging. To list those products, you simply enter the UPC, locate the correct listing, and add your inventory. With private label products, however, you must purchase UPCs because your manufacturer will not provide them. Alternatively, you might qualify for a GTIN exemption if your brand and category meet the requirements. When buying UPCs, you must purchase them directly from GS1. Amazon checks all UPCs against the GS1 database. If you obtain UPCs from unauthorized resellers, the numbers may not align with GS1 records, which could lead to your listings being removed or even your account being suspended. In the United States, GS1 sells individual GTINs for $30 with no renewal fees. Other countries have their own pricing models. For example, GS1 UK requires an annual membership with tiered fees. It is important not to cut corners here. Do not rely on third-party resellers or apply for exemptions unless you genuinely qualify.